Friday, boys and girls. It's celebration assembly again. So sit down comfortably. And we'll start our assembly. Good morning, everyone. And welcome to our celebration assembly today. We are going to start our Friday celebration assembly by welcoming the birthday boys and girls, the birthday mums and dads, the birthday brothers and sisters, and the birthday teachers this week because they're back. So if you've had a birthday this week, you can stand up and enjoy this birthday song. Everyone join in. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children. Happy birthday to you. And a round of applause for the birthday boys and girls, mums and dads, brothers and sisters, nans and granddads, and teachers. Okay, right. Who's been reaching for the stars this week, I wonder? Now, I'm not sure you know, boys and girls at home, but some of the boys and girls have come back to school this week. So, the teachers have been looking out for children who are reaching for the stars as well. So let's see who's been doing really, really well. First of all, we've got respect. And the winner for respect this week is... Tell you what we could do. Oh no, let's not. So the winner for respect this week is... It's Olive Clark Irons from Class Northern Ireland. Well done, Olive. Olive has been showing respect for the environment. She noticed that others had left lots of rubbish on the beach. She was really worried that it might hurt the fish and the wildlife, and she used her bucket to collect the rubbish and clean the beach. I'm sure she washed her hands afterwards. What a star! Well done, Olive. So, who's been really enjoying their learning, I wonder? This week it is Juliet Baker from Class Bahamas. Juliet has been engaging so well with her learning. I've noticed that, Juliet. She really enjoys sitting down with her mum and looking at the videos that the teachers have made. She puts so much effort into everything she does. Oh, Juliet, we could all learn from you. Her family are very proud of her, and so are we. Well done, Juliet. Who's been achieving, not giving up? I know Miss Milbank's been talking to you about that, hasn't she, in her assemblies? Let's see who's been listening and not giving up, achieving the best they can this week is Thomas Campbell from Class India. Thomas watched Miss Whitmarsh's learning video all about fractions. And you know, he's been practicing ever since. Now he's more confident and he can find out the different fractions of different quantities. He was so pleased when he realised that if he didn't give up, he could do it. Well done for being persistent, Thomas. We're all really proud of what you've achieved. Fantastic. The next one is for care, and it goes to Ollie Woodards from Class England. Well done, Ollie. Ollie and his family have been talking a lot about key workers and how much they do. We've been talking about that at school too. With the help from his parents, Ollie made up some treat boxes to say thank you. The boxes contained tea, biscuits and chocolates. What a kind and caring thing to do. We all appreciate you being so caring, Ollie. Do you know what, boys and girls? the teachers and the staff at school appreciated it too, because we had one of those boxes. So it's special thank you from me too, Ollie. And the last one is for Healthy, and it goes to Raphael Stammers from Class England. Raphael has really enjoyed playing outside in the garden this week in school. He's been building up his muscles and showing us how strong he is. He's been moving the tyres around in the garden. Boys and girls, they're actually quite heavy. We were all really impressed with your strength, Raphael. Keep it up. So we've celebrated another 5 children who are reaching for the stars, doing their best to be respectful, to enjoy everything they're up to achieve the best they can, to be caring and to be healthy. I'm sure there are a lot more of you at home as well and in school that are reaching for the stars. Maybe you'll get a special mention in next week's assembly. Until then, boys and girls, continue reaching for the stars, trying your best and being good for your mums and dads and teachers. Bye!